there is no planet B. 300 million tons of plastic is created every year. Our ocean is choking on plastic. Ocean plastics are affecting yet unknown numbers of marine species. 100 million marine mammals are estimated to die from plastic waste each year. 3/4 of marine litter is now composed of plastic, and up to 12.7 million tons of plastic waste enter the ocean every year, the approximate equivalent of one garbage truck full every minute. By 2025, there will be 1 ton of plastic for every 3 tons of fish in the ocean. By 2050, there will be more plastic in the oceans than there are fish, according to environmental scientists. Rethink the future of ocean. What can we do? Continuous attention to us.